We all see trees every single day of our lives. We walk past them, we drive past them, and we also eat them when we are really hungry. But have you ever wondered how do plants grow and function? My name is Sid, and today I'm going to discuss with you the top 5 things you need to know about trees. And what are the similarities between plants and humans? So let's start with the basics. Number 1. How do trees really grow? Just like we come out of our mother, some plants grow from seeds. Seeds. And some of them need to be planted because not all plants grow from seeds. Just like humans, plants can also be male or female. The male parts of a tree, the stamen, releases pollen that travels and is caught by the female part of a tree called the pistil, which contains the eggs. Fun fact, there are special trees where both sexes are included in the same plant, or in some cases, the sex changes from male to female. Number 2. Just like we go to the supermarket to buy our food, plants generally go shopping in the soil for essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Fun fact, there are trees that can filter and clean dirty water using their roots. It's called bioremediation. Check out this place in the Philippines that was restored using the same technique. Maybe something like this can be done for our nalas. Number 3. Have you ever wondered why most of the leaves that we see are green and not blue or white or black? The leaves that are green have a special pigment in them called chlorophylls. Chlorophylls are very essential to the growth of the plant. It helps to absorb energy from sunlight that is used to convert carbon dioxide into essential food for the plant, in a process we call, you guessed it, photosynthesis. Fun fact, the leaves help maintain the temperature of a plant by naturally cooling it down from the outside. It's called transpiration. It's basically like an inbuilt air conditioner. How cool is that? Number 4. Currently, the crops that we eat on a daily basis are grown using chemicals and fertilizers. And over a period of time, these become not only harmful to the human body, but also drain essential nutrients from the soil. And these problems are going to get worse every single year. Yes, these same chemicals and fertilizers have helped India overcome its food shortages. But in a country that's producing more food than needed, I think it's time we shift our focus from quantity to quality, because at the end of the day, these chemicals are to plants what fast food is to humans. You know, the stuff that we eat but doesn't really contribute to our health. It's time for a fun fact. 1 acre of land that's entirely covered with trees can consume almost 3 to 5 tons of carbon dioxide. It's equal to almost you driving a petrol car for 41,000 kilometers. That's how much emissions we can save. And finally, number 5. Almost 50% of the global air pollution we create is absorbed by trees and oceans. And the rest of the 50, I'm sure you know the drill. Goes up in the air, heats up the planet, and causes global warming and climate change. It is by far the most important issue of this century and one of the biggest issues faced by mankind. If you don't know what global warming means, let me know in the comments section below if you want me to make a separate video on it. I'll be more than happy to. Until then, if you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. So let's cut our pollution and not our trees.